Hey guys, because I didn't have much time, I'm not able to release a new episode this weekend. However, I've edited episode number 8, which got taken down 1 or 2 days after its release, so I think a lot of you didn't see it. And because of that, I also want to make an extra large episode for the next weekend. I hope you have fun watching and I hope you understand the situation.
That guy just got his mirror annihilated by that van. Good.
Always check your mirrors. And avoid these kind of situations just by getting in your lane early enough. This clip is about the silver car in the left lane. Oh sorry, I meant the right one. Looks like we have another Mr. Impatient. The Dashcam owner asked if he did anything wrong or if he should have done better. First of all, you did nothing wrong. The only thing you could do to avoid this situation is by switching into the second lane. If we look on the stripes, it seems like it's allowed to overtake right here. But holy shit, it doesn't mean you have to, especially when there's oncoming traffic. We've seen a lot of cars running red lights, but not only cars can do this. But if red light or stop signs, sometimes both are useless. He even stopped at the sign, but somehow he didn't look at the left side. Now we only need a pedestrian and we've nearly covered everything. Yo, what? Why is she acting like the car is at fault? What to do if all the cars are running the red light? And to be honest, I have no idea. I've never been in a situation like this. But the Dashcam owner mentioned that he thinks he's the idiot for driving like a pussy in Chicago. But what do you want to do? You can't just drive into them, so yeah. We have quite bad road conditions. And he mentioned that he tried to get to work on time.
What's the reaction then from the players and organization, and obviously speaking of the Patriots, to Damar Hamlin in that entire situation?
Yeah, so Max, they're trying to show...
You really saved it. And there's another thing he wrote which I can only support. Better be late than dead. Another example, but this guy didn't save it. Instead I would say it was a lot of luck.
Oh shit!
Oh shit, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you see that?
And now we got the silent clips. I tried this time to separate them so it's not like one clip with sound, one without, and so on. And the first one, you can already guess, will be instant karma, or not so instant karma, but we will see. About a minute later, they caught him. The next guy is for real an idiot. He missed his exit about 500 meters away, and now tries to drive back to this exit. But the next one would be 500 meters ahead. So why? From one idiot to another, but this time in Chicago. He has his left indicators on, but then just goes straight over the red light. And yes, these guys saw the whole thing. Bad road and weather conditions, and you really can't see far ahead. I know I say it a lot, but in this case space management is such an important thing. Although the dashcam driver handled it really well, he clipped no one. And if you don't want to stop, you can watch one of my recent videos right here, so stay safe, ride safe and bye.